A billionaire pharmaceutical company founder is going to trial in Boston accused of a scheme to bribe doctors to boost prescriptions of his company's powerful synthetic opioid. John Kapoor is the highest-ranking pharma executive to face charges as part of the federal government's efforts to go after those it says are responsible for the opioid crisis.
This is a major prosecution for the Department of Justice. This is really the first corporate criminal prosecution with respect to opioid enforcement.
Kapoor's company, Insys Therapeutics, makes the highly addictive fentanyl spray, Subsys. The FDA has approved Subsys for cancer pain, but prosecutors allege Kapoor's company bribed doctors to prescribe Subsys to patients who didn't have cancer. One of those patients was Sarah Fuller. Fuller's mother claimed she was being treated for fibromyalgia when an Insys sales representative and her doctor convinced her to begin taking Subsys. Fuller died of an overdose a year later.
At 32, she had the rest of her life to live. And it was literally stolen from her by people who don't care.
In court papers, Kapoor's legal defense contends the government has overstepped and is trying to publicly scapegoat Kapoor for the opioid epidemic. Former Insys executives, including the former CEO, have already pled guilty and are cooperating with the prosecution. Deborah Fuller says she plans to attend Kapoor's trial at some point. She knows whatever the result, it won't bring back her daughter, but says she believes the trial itself is important.
I'm glad they're on trial. They are where they belong. And maybe, other pharmaceuticals might sit up and take notice.
Kapoor's trial begins Monday. David Martin, The Associated Press.